Hello and welcome back to my channel Make My Tour Online. In today's video, let's talk about New Zealand, which is a beautiful and unique country with a rich cultural heritage. New Zealand is a country located in the southwestern Pacific Ocean. It consists of two main islands, the North Island and the South Island, as well as numerous smaller islands. The country has a population of approximately 5 million people, with the majority living in urban areas such as Auckland, Wellington, and Christchurch. The culture of New Zealand is a unique blend of Maori and European influences, with the Maori people being the indigenous people of the country. The official languages are English, Maori, and New Zealand Sign Language. New Zealand has a diverse economy, with industries such as agriculture, tourism, and manufacturing being major contributors. The country is also known for its high standard of living, with a strong healthcare system, education system, and social welfare support. New Zealand has a vibrant and diverse nightlife scene with a range of options to suit all tastes and preferences. Here are some popular nightlife destinations in New Zealand. Auckland. Known for its buzzing nightlife, Auckland has a range of bars, nightclubs, and live music venues, especially in the central city area. Wellington. The capital city has a thriving nightlife scene with a wide range of bars, pubs, clubs, and music venues, catering to a diverse range of tastes. Christchurch. With its lively music scene, Christchurch is home to a range of bars, nightclubs, and live music venues, especially in the city centre and along the popular Victoria Street. Queenstown. A popular tourist destination, Queenstown offers a wide range of nightlife options, from sophisticated cocktail bars to lively nightclubs and live music venues. Dunedin. A university town, Dunedin has a vibrant nightlife scene, with a range of bars, clubs and music venues, catering to both locals and visitors. Hamilton. A growing city, Hamilton offers a range of nightlife options, from lively bars and clubs to chilled-out cafes and restaurants. Tauranga. A coastal city, Tauranga offers a range of nightlife options, from beachside bars and restaurants to lively nightclubs and music venues. Napier. Known for its Art Deco architecture, Napier offers a range of nightlife options, from stylish wine bars and craft breweries to lively pubs and clubs. Nelson. A picturesque city on the South Island, Nelson offers a range of nightlife options, from laid-back bars and cafes to lively pubs and clubs. Rotorua. Known for its hot springs and geothermal attractions, Rotorua has a growing nightlife scene, with a range of bars, clubs, and music venues catering to both locals and tourists. Apart from these popular nightlife destinations, there are plenty of fun activities and experiences to enjoy in New Zealand. Here are some popular options. Adventure sports. New Zealand is known for its adventure sports, such as bungee jumping, skydiving, whitewater rafting, and skiing, snowboarding. Hiking and tramping. With stunning natural scenery, New Zealand is a hiker's paradise, with plenty of trails and tracks to explore, including the famous Milford Track. Beaches and water sports. New Zealand has some of the world's most beautiful beaches, with opportunities for swimming, surfing, kayaking, and paddleboarding. Wildlife encounters. New Zealand has a range of unique and fascinating wildlife including kiwis, dolphins, whales, and seals, and there are opportunities to see them up close in their natural habitats. Overall, New Zealand is a beautiful and unique country with a rich cultural heritage, a strong economy, and a high quality of life for its residents. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos.